Asking Gorilla Tech players to make their own sound effects, part 2. Do you want to be in the video?
What? No, you're not a real YouTuber.
What sound does it make when you touch like wood in the game?
That
Like,
is so scammed. I want to play some hockey.
okay, thank you. Do you have a mic?
Daisy.
Do you have a mic?
Kind of what?
Do you want to be in the video? Do you want to be in the video?
No, how do you spell Daisy?
Daisy isn't real.
Yeah, for real, it's modders. It's modders, bro.
I'm sorry, but it's just like people who hack. What sound does it make when you touch a glass? Can you make the sound?
No, it makes the.
But I put the mic up, but it's not really a mic. It's just a turkey leg. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm planning to make a part 3 on this video. So if you like this video, make sure to stay tuned for my next series of this thing. I made a part 1, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out. It's pretty funny. And I'm planning to make a part 3 on this video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.